What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is all about how you can easily create a stand and start accepting donations, and please donate. Let's start. First, we'll need something to put on our stand to accept donations. We'll be creating a game pass, which is free to create. To get started, open a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Log into your account. After that, go to the top menu and select Create. This will take you to the Creator Hub. From there, select Dashboard in the top menu. Once in the dashboard, select your place. Now go to the left menu and scroll down. Under Monetization, select Passes. Here you'll see the items on your stand. To create a pass, select Create Pass. You can upload an image if you want, but it's not necessary. Add a name and description if desired. Once done, select Create Pass. Back in the list of passes, select the pass you created. Then in the left menu, select Sales. List the items for sale and set a price in Robux. Keep in mind that you only receive 70% of the price, as Roblox keep 30% of it. Save your changes. Now go back to the Roblox app and open up Please Donate. Find an empty stand, claim it by holding the E button, and select the game pass you created. This will set up your stand to accept donations. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.